Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Great car, guys. Love the color on this car. It's called Mango Tango Pearl. It's an orange metallic. It's got the tan vinyl interior in it. When you see it up front, it's got the ram air hood with the rear deck spoiler on it. It's a 442 Tribute, but just a great car. Matching numbers 350, factory air that works. Just a beautiful car. Clean Tennessee body. It's got a nice set of Boss 20 and 18-inch wheels on it. Now those are 10-inch wide in the rear, so it's got some meats on the back. But just a pretty car. Car runs and drives excellent. The AC is all brand new, so it does work. And really just a good looking car. Got all the original owner's manuals for the car. She's got a new front bumper on it. I believe the rear bumper's new as well. This is my favorite hood right here. I love the ram air hoods on these cars. Let's get a little spot there in the black stripe. I noticed that. A couple little touch-up spots, but other than that, really slick paint on this car. Vinyl tops in great shape. Car's only got like 76,000 original miles on it. A little dust on the rear bumper. That rear bumper's new. Nice and straight down the sides. I like those 10-inch wide wheels on the rear. Of course, it's got the cutout rear bumper in it with the notched exhaust tips. Nice and straight, pretty car. See a little crack there in the paint. I want to pick them apart, but I also like, I don't want you to get something and not like it, man. I've been doing this for 40 years, man. Again, you can see a couple little touch-up marks. There's some things you can pick, but still nice, guys. If you're looking for a nice straight driver, that's what the car is. It's got Pirelli rubber all the way around it. That paint looks good. It's got a great look to it. Again, matching numbers 350, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes, and factory air. Car's detailed up nice underneath the hood. Again, little touch-up mark. In fact, Leroy just got off the phone with a guy who said I pick at the cars too much, but I'd rather not sell you something than to try to miss stuff. And again, I miss stuff. I mean, I'm not perfect, but I try to really show you the car for what it is. And these are all old cars. Anybody who tells you that they're perfect, I'm telling you that's not true. They've all got something. You're gonna work on these things. I don't think there's anybody better hobby there is, man, but they're still old cars. Well, this car's got a great look. Remote mirror. I'd say this is all the original interior. I'd say the carpet is new. But that's definitely the factory interior. Bucket seats and console, that was a big plus for me on this car. Most of these, of course, are bench seats with a column shift. It's just your I didn't want you to think the headliner's hanging down. That's just your shoulder belts. It's got the sports steering wheel, factory dash, 76,825 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. Again, I really like the bucket seats with console. It's got the Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end. I'm sorry, Jay reminded it's a 350 trans. That's actually what the original wheels would have been on this car. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Here's all your original owner's manuals. Good car. Got a polished fuel tank in it. Again, 10-bolt with the Flowmaster duals. Car's nice and clean underneath. I'd say those are the original sill plates. Dash is nice, gauges are nice, that console's in great shape. Nice car. Door handles, they might be original, a little, pick them a little bit, but pretty darn nice. They just kick your air on, it works. You know, I bought it from a buddy of mine, he said just charge the air. Slam that down because it's got the pinned hood. Good looking car, man. Yeah, you can go ahead and pin it. Dash lights are on there. Even the door buzzer's working, guys. So you can hear that. Backup lights work. It's got a good sounding radio in it. Jay's in here bebopping. Blower motor does work. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Looks like we got a bright out on the passenger side. Remind us of that. Yeah, we might have probably just a connection on the bulb on that side. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.